Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking, highlighting popular dishes that are part of our traditional Jamaican culture. Here now is today's host.
Hello there, welcome to Creative Cooking. Today we come to you from the Runaway Bay Heart Hotel and Training Institute. Today's subject is Johnny cakes or fried dumplings. I am sure every one of you knows somebody who makes a great Johnny cake. Today we have Brian Lumley and Devon Bennett, and they are both commis chefs, graduates of the Runaway Bay Heart Hotel and Training Institute, and I tell you, they make great fried dumplings. We have invited these two gentlemen to be guests on our program and to show us their special skills. Gentlemen, welcome to the program.
Thank you, Ms. Mazie.
Devon, we're going to ask you to do your dumpling first, and then Brian will invite you to follow afterwards. Okay?
No problem.
Well, today I'm going to make my special Johnny cake. Now I'll add some flour in my mixing bowl here. And after I add my flour, I'll have my sugar. A little salt to go with that. Right. And also, we'll also have our baking powder. It's good enough. Right. And now we'll have a little margarine, and by right, this is the lovely Grace margarine that we have using today. And this is so lovely. Just a spoon of that, right? And also, we're gonna combine now our water in. Now, by doing this, we can use a mixer, or we can actually use our hands. Now I'm gonna actually knead this dumpling. Add a little milk. We're gonna get this nice, kneaded up. Now after we have this, we're gonna add a little bit more flour in this, just to get it right. Now we knead properly. Now please just remember, when you're kneading, you should ensure that your dough is nice, fluffy, and soft. We have our finished product here. Now you should keep this no more than half an hour to relax. We have to either put it in the refrigerator, or we can cover it up in our mixing bowl and have it in the open here, and it should be here tight. First, I'm gonna pop my dough together. Gonna do about 4. We're gonna roll our Johnny cakes today. Now we're gonna take our time gently, so it's smoothly in your hand, right? And then when we get it, as you can see, same product as the first one that I showed you. Nice, gently drop them in our oil to fry. Nice. There we go. And once they're actually risen, we're gonna use our tongue and turn them gently in the oil so that they fry evenly. And usually, our dumpling should take about 5 to 10 minutes to finish. All right?
Brian Lumley has now joined me in the kitchen to share his special technique.
Hi, today I'm going to show you my special or unique way of making Johnny cakes. We're going to use about 1 pound of flour, about 2 tablespoons of this nice soft margarine, a little sugar for tasting, balance with some salt, with the milk. Don't forget the baking powder, please. That helps with the rising agent as well as the egg. That helps give it a nice fluffy texture. And you turn and fold until you get a nice dough that comes together. As soon as it comes together, you can start kneading. Over here I have some that's already been rested, as you can see, in an airtight container. Now some people pull it off, I used to cut it up. Nice, even shapes. I know many of you at home normally rolls it like this and you get your open shape. But here I can show you another technique that you put on the table. You kind of cup your hands to press down the dough on the surface. And as it finishes, you kind of release and just form the circle. So you want to seal the bottom of it. I'm about to put these into fryer. Just take my tester just to see if the oil is hot. You want to start a nice 350 degrees Fahrenheit, so about 400 thereabout. And once you see that rapid bubbly movement, that means this fire is ready. So I'll just gently ease in one on top of the other. So I'll just let these fry for a bit. You want to kind of swirl them around in the oil, turning them as you go along so they cook evenly and right around.
We have an expert panel of Colleen Onis, Marcia Williams, and Angela Grandison Reed, all home economists. And we've invited these ladies to taste the dumplings that Brian and Devon made for us.
I must commend the right amount of crispness. You just breaking it.
Yes.
It's very crispy on the outside.
Yes.
The texture on the inside is very good.
The texture, you could actually look at your
Yes, you
hand
could see.
Yes.
Yes.
And I also like the volume.
Yes.
Yes.
Well
Very light.
received.
Yes.
Very light.
And it's not oily, Mazie.
Beautiful.
Not oily.
Before you sample the second one, I'd like you to cleanse the palate.
Okay, good. Okay, so ready, set, go. I can't wait. Remember.
One for
Okay,
me.
over to you.
Okay, I'm gonna break.
Yes.
Just pass the breaking test.
Yes.
Okay, the mouth feel now.
The mouthfeel.
Oh, this is good.
Mama.
Tell me about it, Angela.
The texture is good. The mouth feel is right. Right amount of crispness. Perfect.
What about you, Karen?
Mazie, you have to come to Runaway Bay Heart to experience, as Angela would say, the marriage of flavors and taste. It's here with the dumpling.
Just a little. This is a tad on a sweeter note.
Yes,
so
it's
for persons who
sweeter.
like their dumpling to be a little bit sweeter, this is a tad sweeter than this one. Here.
Yes.
What
And
about you, Marcia?
I'd also like to add, there are persons who like their dumplings a little flakier because they like crispy food. This is perfect. Very flaky.
Definitely. And I take it it passes the color
Oh,
test, right?
Certainly.
Certainly.
It does.
We have a little token we'd like to present to you both. And I'd like to invite Mrs. Gabrielle Sang, my manager, to come and make the presentation.
I would like to present you, Chef, with our Great Jamaican Food Award for highlighting the techniques in making the lovely Johnny cakes that you made today.
Thank you very much,
You're
madam.
welcome. And Chef Lumley,
Yes.
congratulations for showcasing your techniques
No problem.
in how to make Johnny cakes.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
That's our show for today. Now, if you think you have a special secret for making the great Jamaican Johnny cake, please let us know. We want you to call, write, email, or fax us at Grace Kitchens. We'd be glad to hear from you. Till next time, we thank you so much for watching.
Grace Kitchens invites you to watch Creative Cooking. This creative cooking series features traditional Jamaican dishes that are part of our Jamaican culture. And we invite you to join us every Monday morning at 7:35 on Smile Jamaica It's Morning Time for Creative Cooking.